Hi everyone, welcome to 10 on the 10th, where a bunch of us are in this collab hosted by the wonderful metal scrapping chick who is Kim. Hi Kim. So last month I started using this paper pad holiday glitz for 10 on the 10th. Oops, you can't even see. It was a hot buy from, I don't know, 2019 it says. Don't remember buying it last year, but anyway. So, and then I also used it for embellishments on the 11th, which I'm not doing this month, but anyway, I made, as some of you may remember who watched it, I made these square black embellishments with the white doily and the gold foil, and then this piece was a cut apart from the paper pad, the long strips. And the word joy, I die cut out of basic black and gold foil. And the word is out of the, I'm going to forget the name of it. It's a retiring stamp set, Peace and Joy, I believe it's called, or something like that. So if you don't have that, get it, because those three words cut out in 3 different ways, and it's really a beautiful set. And the paper, though, is out of that holiday glitz. I am trying to use up this washi tape that doesn't have much sticky to it, but I see I have a lot left. But I thought it went well with this paper. Now, I had put it on these squares, and the ones that didn't already have the joy on, I was able to turn it so that the stripe of the washi went up and down. And I put the washi going across on the paper under it. And then all I did was glue my embellishment down, glue the word joy down, and then this I finished. And I used on 5 out of 6 cards. Oops, sorry, everything's shifting here. This is from the, I love this stuff, but it's from the Wonder of the Season Ribbon Combo Pack, which is also retiring. So you could get it now while you can. It came in with a larger shaded spruce argyle satin ribbon. And that number is 153537 if you're interested. And that's it. I just added that little bow. So these 5 are exactly the same. Well, pretty much, except, you know, as straight as I can get them on the cards and stuff. That one I have to glue down the washi a little better because I didn't get it wrapped around before I glued down the back. Now this last one, and also, was it that one? This one, and I think one other one, you'll see the washi tape on the black paper is going the same direction. Those, I had 2 already with the word joy. This one also glued down, so I couldn't turn it. And this last is the last of the ribbon, so that's all I had left. I had to make a teeny tiny bow. And then this ribbon is current in the annual catalog by Stampin' Up, and it is from the Forever Greenery Trim Combo Pack. It's called Vanilla Gold. It's a more of a fine trim. It's still 1/16 inch, but it's not a cording, it's frays. They call it a trim, gold 1/16 inch trim, but their little ends fray, which it has its own unique look to it. That's all I had left to use, so that's what I used on that. And then, so that's those backgrounds. This was all 2 sheets of 12 by 12 paper. Actually, I think it was 1 sheet of 12 by 12 paper, and I cut it to 5 1/4 and then 3 4-inch sections. So yeah, this is all 1 sheet of 12 by 12 paper. Oh, and the base cards, the white ones, were, I'm still in this use up my card stash. These were scrapbook.com Nina Solar White 25 pack blank note cards that I've had in my stash. So I used 6 of those. And then these 4, this is from 2 sheets. Yeah, I think this was 2 sheets of paper because it's the papers that have a big pattern on. Let me show you the other part of it. So this is the top of the papers, and there's 2 of them here. And then it had this border going along the bottom. So I cut the border, I cut from the bottom up 4 inches, and then I cut 2 5 1/4 inch strips. So I had a little piece left over about like that. So that's what I did for these, and then I just put the embellishments down as well. I didn't put any additional washi, and instead of a bow, I used the gilded gems from Stampin' Up, which you can hardly see them, but there's 3 different sizes, so I used a large, a medium, and a small, large, medium, and small on all 4 cards. And then that's all I did on those. I didn't finish the insides of these yet. I don't know what I want to say on the inside yet, but I will put a piece of Whisper White or some kind of white inside on the black ones. On the white ones, I'll probably not do that and just stamp some other sentiment in there. I don't know. We'll see. So there's my 10 cards. 4 in the black base with the white, and 6 with the white base with the black. But they're all full of joy, and I hope you are too. So have a lovely day and weekend coming up, and week ahead, and rest of the year, and here's to 2021. All right, everyone. I will talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.